Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best settings for the Alienware AW2525HM monitor. Start by opening the monitor's OSD menu. Go to Preset Mode and select Custom Color. If you prefer the factory-calibrated profile, you can choose Standard instead. Next, adjust brightness to somewhere between 75 and 85. The ideal value depends on your room lighting. A lower setting can help reduce eye strain in darker environments, while a higher setting works better in bright rooms. Set contrast to 75 for a balanced image with good detail in both bright and dark areas. For color temperature, choose Normal or 6500K. This provides a natural and accurate color appearance. If you are using Custom Color Mode, enter the RGB values manually. Set Red to 99, Green to 98, and Blue to 100 for a well-balanced picture. Then set Sharpness to 50, which is the neutral value and helps avoid artificial image enhancement. Now locate the Gamma setting and set it to 2.2. Once the monitor settings are complete, open Windows Display Settings and select Advanced Display. Make sure the refresh rate is set to 320 Hz. This enables the monitor's full performance and delivers a much smoother gaming experience. Finally, keep G-Sync or FreeSync enabled. This helps reduce screen tearing and provides smoother motion while gaming, especially when frame rates fluctuate. Thanks for watching.